We are walking back to the public terminal. There's the Turkish flag. Okay. Galing kami sa isang ano to, yung mosque. It's difficult to pronounce na mosque. There's a cat. Ito university, oh. This is okay. Dami ng pusa dito ba? No? Area. It's just walking. We'll be taking the public. Diyan tayo? Ano yan? Istanbul University, oh. Ako kayo yan eh. Wala? Okay. Pila tayo? Here?
Yung ano? Escalator.
So?
Bigyan natin. Pila.
Sige.
Riding here?
Basta. Check lang.
Wala ka pa ba, no?
Okay. We're taking the kaso next na tayo nyan. Hindi. May. Okay. We're going na. Okay, akit kami. Baba.